Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my first YouTube video. Please try to support me. Please subscribe to my channel. So, today's topic is how to get free unlimited Instagram followers. You need a app for this. The app name is Neutrino Plus. I'll give you the link in the description box. Go and check it. So, open this link. You should not download it from Play Store. Please download it from Google Chrome. So here, after scrolling, you will get a option download APK. From here you can install. I already installed it, so let's open this app. So guys, this app is all about follow and get a follow back. Follow somebody, you'll get a follow back. So this is my fake account where I collect diamonds and send it to my main account for increasing followers. So guys, first let us see how to get diamonds by liking others post. So click on this diamond button, crystal button, then you'll get some post. Click on this heart symbol, which is like it. Get back to this app. So you'll get diamonds here. You can see I got 4 diamonds. This is a free reward. This is how we can get diamonds by liking others post. Click on this heart option. Click on, like it. You'll get 4 crystals. Okay, now let's see how to get diamonds by following others. Guys, it is very important to create a fake account because you should follow others, so you'll get a follow back. If you follow from your original account and if you unfollow them after some days, your energy will get decreased. So here you can see my energy is 393. If you get it in single digit number or minus single digit number, then it will be in red color. You cannot increase followers or you cannot get likes also. So try to create a fake account and then start following others. So I show you how to like others post. Now I'll show you how to follow others and get crystals. By liking other posts you'll get 4 crystals, and by following you'll get 8 crystals. So for following others you should click on this subscribe button, then click on this follow, then go get back to this app. See, you got 8 crystals. Keep repeating this. Follow, go back, again you'll get 8 crystals. Follow, go back, you'll get 8 crystals again. So continue this for some time. You'll get diamonds, I mean crystals. You need 369, I think 359 for getting crystals, for getting followers, for increasing followers. So click to start gaining followers. You can keep it for 10 minutes or you can keep it for 20 minutes. For keeping 10 minutes you need 359 diamonds, and for keeping 20 minutes you need 649 diamonds, guys. So I have 5068 diamonds. So you can see my Instagram followers. See, I have only 18 followers. Sorry, this is my fake account actually. So I have only 18 followers here, and you can see my following, it's 1059. See, I don't have any notifications right now. Click on this star button. Here you should click to start gaining followers, then okay. See guys, you can see your fake account here. It's also showing the time 9 minutes 59 seconds. Keep refreshing it. Your time will be decreased, it will be decreasing. So now you can see I'll get some notification this app. See, they are following 1 second ago. I have 18 followers. I got 24. Now let's see how to send diamonds to other account. So click on this diamond option. Go to more crystals. Here enter your nickname, I mean like enter your main username. Here on crystals you cannot keep below than 100. You should keep above than 100. So if you want to transfer crystals, don't forget the fee is 25% will cut off from your crystals. So this is the best app which I seen. Everyone should try this app. It's a genuine app. You can get followers and you can get also likes. Like click on this post, you can see you can get likes in this way. drag this if you want. 86 likes, click on OK, then you'll get likes. I have 0 likes right now. Actually this is my fake account which I use for following and for getting crystals, so you can try it on your main account. I don't want to reveal my main account in this video because I am an unknown hacker. So guys, our 10 minutes are completed, so let's open this Instagram once and you can see the followers. We started with 18, so you can see started following you, many followers came. We started with 18 and now we have 60 followers. We got 42 followers. Guys, you can also increase, like, you don't have any timings for this app, you can do it unlimited times, but give some time gap like 1 hour or 2 hours. The best timing I observed is from 6 to 7. Guys, you may get 100 followers in one click, so try it between 6 to 7. Thank you guys, please subscribe to my channel, please support me.